5 seconds. It has become a common feature in every organization that there is movement of staff. This is especially true in the case of information technology companies where there is shift from one organization to another on a large scale. Sometimes the exit of the employee is sudden that it is not possible to have a replacement. In such circumstances, the company is in a very difficult situation to find a suitable person immediately. It is also not a healthy sign for the employee as he changes his employment quite often. It is the usual practice for every firm to conduct exit interviews for all those who wish to leave. The purpose of such an exercise is to know what is the cause for their leaving. The personnel manager who is in charge of recruitment is the officer who does this process as soon as the employee puts in his representation to leave the organization. He will be called for a personal discussion with the officer. On his arrival, the employee is asked to explain as to the reason why he wants to quit. He is asked whether the difficulties faced in the workplace, the working relations with the supervisors, the organizational goals and policies, or the personal reasons prompted him to move to a new place. The important reason behind such an inquiry is to know whether there is a need to change the policies of the company. If there are a large number of complaints on this front, or to improve the conditions in the workplace so that the worker feels happy while attending to his job. On the other hand, if the worker is leaving due to personal reasons, every effort will be made to know such reasons also. To a large extent, he is advised to solve the problems and continue in the same organization rather than go to a new place where he is not sure that they do not continue to affect his performance. It is also a good idea to involve one or two trade union leaders also in this process of exit interviews, as it will give them an opportunity to present a clear view and take necessary steps in the interest of good labor management relations. These are some of the issues which are within the organization's control, like economic matters and other policy matters in the interest of organization. Letter dated 10th April from the Secretary to Government, Industries and Commerce Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad, to the Secretary to Government, Industries and Commerce Department, Government of India, New Delhi. Sir, it is to inform that there have been requests from various sections of industry that the government should provide incentives for the development of industries in the state in view of the fact that there is a steady growth of the economy. A committee may please be constituted to study the existing rules and submit its report within the next 2 or 3 months. The remarks of the committee may be taken into consideration at the time of finalizing the draft plan of action. It is requested that the above proposal may please be considered and a committee be constituted immediately so as to enable the government to announce the new policy on the occasion of the formation day of the state on 1st November. Yours faithfully.